Wabere ni gucokeria mucima ngatho wiki ngima ntotona nake wega muno.
Very good.
Ngai amwende hari ari.
Yes.
Na amenya maica no maya.
Oh yes.
Athie na mbere na gwikenia. Na ihenya ndenda guthie kuri ndeto iria nyitete mwaki.
Kahora. Nina jetira.
Matha ndirarora na ngona ndeka ici nini muno na kwina maruya
tomateria
ici ndiaria ri tarore we umenya ino ni page 1
ai ibuku ria tu
na ige ndira illustrate na diagrams
Dora kahora
na kwina kurunya ndegete namba cia thimu in case jayo kuona mucene mwega
wakiri
tuhure thimu
wakiri no makinya thathi taradu
tafadhali ici gutwara ku ici gutgerau na cia hetu kuone mahinda itirandeithia
akuhe muzima ndeke kana we arari guku
rure niwe guku ru ni
maranyita
mau ni maria marahanika tu we ndui kumundu maingi muno mahanika we utoi na ndingienda wetu haria king'ang'a-ini warie wicambithie nyenda gukuiga mbere twenda twambie ha
where was away
when you are away
yes
twanda kasiga na hau
ni jaga ni kaora ni kunyita
the page 1 This is a correction.
Oh my God.
Ah, thank you. Ukwenda githungu kana githweri?
No nginya tugatukania
kana ke Greece.
And then ngereire 20 grams.
Cool.
Ikoria pizza.
Ai goni orare ya ndega-ini.
At least 20 grams. No ndo wa bura riu ni gukinyia. Where was away?
When you were away.
What happened?
A lot.
Kill me.
While you were away,
I need some chocolates and popcorns.
You left so many things happening.
What's going on?
Now, you remember the guy who was sleeping on the grass with a turban?
Yes. The one that was thrown away by the wife.
Yes.
Yes.
Because of eating the money for business.
Yes, yes.
And then he did a launch.
Yeah, he did.
Yes.
I don't know.
He did a launch. People went.
He's a singer.
Money. Yes. And actually, before he do the launch, TV, Kameme, platform they give him.
Free.
Yes.
Jesus Christ.
People come. Bruce Spring. Money.
Guy, tell me now he's okay.
Now, he is not. Now it is better when he was sleeping in the grass.
Guy.
Now.
What happened?
Now, they say, social media. Fear it.
That's why me I don't post too much.
Now they say, when he got the money at Bruce Spring, he started drinking
alcohol with the turban. Guy.
Yes. He drink everything.
With the baby girls.
Yes. Here and there, he drink.
With women.
Yes.
Guy.
I think the money at Bruce was not much. Because you look at the day of the launch, and now 1 month is not over.
How much?
Now he is beating pictures. He is in a house with no mattress. He is sleeping on the floor.
And the money?
The money gone.
Women drunk.
Yes, everything. I saw the wife. You see the wife? The social media people say the wife came in the launch.
Yes.
She was there when launching.
Oh,
yes.
And support. That's fine.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Poor
now
girl.
the social media says she come because she knew money will come.
Who eat the money now?
Now, the social media say the wife ate the money with him. When it finished, now she start posting. Hey, the turban man who cries is not in Kenya. Somebody come and talk to this guy.
Was she drinking even the wife?
They say the social media, they say yes. They finish the money.
Money for giving is...
Yes. Then the wife ran away. She start posting. Please, psychologist. Speak to the sleeping guy of the grass. We need to do another launch. Now we move to the next story. We don't know how they solved that story and we don't care. Now
you don't care.
No, how do
you care?
No, we don't. Now if we get money for the launch, he drink with the turbine.
How do you do?
With women.
Yes.
What do we do?
Yes.
They plan another launch.
Let's run to the other one.
We come.
Yes.
Number 2. This is fire. Number 2. Daughter of Masufuria and the man of furniture.
Oh, the man of the furniture.
And the daughter of nowadays they're calling her daughter of Masufuria.
For my furniture is in China.
Oh, yes, here.
I don't know.
Yesterday.
I came in the morning.
They even had an apology.
Oh, that's fine.
One-on-one. Now the story is not there. Now the story is here. Ooh, let me tell you what the story is. Now they stood there at the church, JCM. The daughter is told to speak so that he can forgive the man of furniture. She started. I'll speak. She is able. Yes. She speak in able. Yes. She started say, "Mie mrambo na baba." Kora mondo ne ambese. Riende ta gondori. Ingira mokonete na njara ndambese no ndene gucokia Ngai ngatho tondu Ngai ambonokia
riu ndiroaga
riu ndie na mbara ni aumire moko no ngwenda kwira mundu wa mbao
orage wa mbao
nenda muobera na we na munyaka muno we mundu wa mbao ne baria tuweke ng'ang'aine
agiekandea
ingia gwekera thuburia ta helmeti
ake mundu wa mbao hau mundu wa mbao araiga atia
mundu wa mbao erwo ni arekerwo ri arambire areka dance
aigara ni China.
Nekwenda gucokeria mutongoria wa JCM ngatho njugaga atiriri
ari China
rucio we ndori ukanoka kuria gwakwa ofici-ini ningakugurira thaburia
Kenya. Oh my God.
Now ici no nginya umenye there is a pastor who left his wife riu ni athukitie horo biu. Yes. Okwenda thaa ici ka twambe turugie mohoro
kaireke twambe tuhurure biru and
now he was seen at the pulpit.
No, wait, let me pay one bill. Just one bill. One bill. Cheza sita. Cheza sita. One bill. Just one.
Ndariganirwo.
Ndungiriganirwo.
Agacama. Egia gukwira thaa ici thomwo mohoro-ini.
Ekwaga njira
cheza sita na ihenya oena uthi hare message utume kuri 24224 na mbeca kwithatu cia munyako utume kuri 24224 ni kwamukira ndumiriria na ihenya wihotanire maita ngiri thano mbeca iria wathaka nacio.
Hey, one bill, just one.
Another one. Hey. Tweha.
These are flowing.
No, they are flowing. We have 9 minutes to news.
What happened to the pastor?
Where? The pastor who was touching people at the head. Now he has tororied. No ma pastor mathi kanitha-ini ri haria kanitha-ini haria mbere ri marehagirwo mai makihunjia ero ndwa kuhunjia muno oyo arare wareherwo githeri pulpit-ini ena githeri na cumbi arahunjia kiugo
andu aya arahunjiria ni mahonete
makaria ku na aramba agekira irio cumbi arumari takana kanini arumia kana to irora kapa ku dance aruma irio akadansa
kunyururia Ngai. Jesus Christ. In Kenya.
Yani
haya.
Yes. She was married. He was married to a singer. And they left. Yes.
So they left each other.
They left each other because of squabble 310 325 363
tap. Is it that one?
Yes.
He was eating in church.
Pulpit, he has githeri. Now we know people drink water, no do go itu haha.
Yes.
Now githeri ne go itu aku.
Oh my God.
Yes, why githeri?
Wow.
Why githeri? Alafu nikirona kana kia bebe nyumu.
Na oromereria ndu. So what happened?
Now you're there eating githeri. There's nothing that has bad. It is moshane. You are waiting for what happened next.
I'm waiting for. Did he give the people who are listening to the word?
No. But if you want to be blessed, you come with your own spoon. God now, if you want to be blessed, you come with 500.
Lord have mercy.
You go with ukaruma giciko. Ukamune matano. Giciko kimwe ararihia matano.
Lord have mercy. Kaito igwire tha.
Muru maria mahana gitore kuo number 6.
Mathire marathira. Kaide rare ku.
Number 6. Ona dena number 7.
Ona rekeo waitara ngire kuo.
Number 6. Number 6. Now munene witu wa bururi ne arari kure mai mahiu.
Oh, he went.
Yes.
Oh, the time I left he was away.
Yes, now when he was away like you, he also came.
Yes.
And went there empty-handed.
He didn't get anything.
Yeah? Okay. Yes, he said. Yeah? He said. He said. To see is better than to give. Maitho makirite kuheo. And he finally said, oh, naomba tuombe tuendelee kuomba.
He was studying. Maybe there was a truck behind bringing something.
He is yet to tell us, but what he said is very important. To see. Maitho makirite kuheo to kana githungu. The eyes
have it. Okay.
How many minutes?
What had he didn't get anything.
To see is better than to give. Maitho mami atwiraga njira ino kayo no kwa mutari kindu. Maitho makirite kuheo. Okay, muzide muone.
Penya to igwire tha. Lord have mercy.
Number 8. I
am tired already. Anything for next hour?
No. Number 8. Helicopters were chasing one another in Nyeri.
Okay.
When there was disaster. Is he governor? Is he MP? He ran there with helicopter. Yes, there Nyeri. He arrived there. He talked to the people. 10 minutes later, the deputy president, Rigathi himself, ran to the same place. Yes. He talked to the people. Tell them, me am no matter who came here before me. People are hearing they are running with helicopter before me. I am the man.
So what? So what's the problem? Who had done it before?
The problem is this person.
Who?
The government. He is how do I describe him?
Who?
What?
From where? Where does he hail from?
He hail from.
Hold there.